So today we're going to talk about arch supports and how they can actually make someone's flat feet worse. Now, growing up, I had flat feet, really bad, and for years I tried every single arch support, custom orthotics, you name it. And reflecting back on the actual cause of flat feet, my theory is that it's either a manganese deficiency at birth or a vitamin D deficiency that sets up a child with either a weakened structure of the arch or a bone malformation. I had constant problems with my feet through sports, track and field, wrestling, and even the Army. I really never felt a lot of relief when I would have this arch support. They take a mold of your flat foot and then they customize an orthotic that matches the fallen arch. All I know is it didn't work for me, as I was constantly massaging that arch to try to get some relief. I think it was like I was 22 years old where I went to someone that did foot massage. And oh my goodness, did I get some relief with that. But they actually really worked the muscles on the front part of the shin, which were extremely painful. But when they were done, it was like I was walking on air. At that point, I stopped wearing the arches and my feet start feeling better. And I would start to massage the foot as well. And then a few years later, I started doing stretches, not the usual stretches of the calf, but I stretched the other part of the leg where you take your toes and you stretch them down, which I will demonstrate in a minute. Looking back at what I didn't really understand at the time, but all I knew is when I stretched the front part of the leg, it gave way more relief than stretching the calf. So if the bottom of the arch or the bottom of the foot is cramping and you stretch the muscles on the top part of the foot that stem right up into the front part of the leg, you will send signals to the muscle that's cramping that will relax the muscle. So that's how it works. So you don't want to ever stretch the tight muscle. You want to work on the opposite side. So I'm going to demonstrate that right now. Check out this little part of this video. So you take the toes and we're just going to stretch them like this. We're going to stretch and stretch about 10 times. And we're actually stretching this whole muscle right through in here. What that will do, that will give the foot, the signals are sent to relax the bottom of the foot. It'll really give you a lot of relief. Okay, so we're going to stretch that. Okay, so that would be the stretch of what you would want to do if you had fallen arches. It will give you a lot of relief. You just do it every single day. Second thing, I would recommend finding someone that specializes in a foot massage and have them work not just on the foot, but on the front part of the lower leg. You will get so much relief. And number three, take those arches out and allow your feet to strengthen on their own. You're going to find that without that little handicap, the little arch, that the muscles in the lower part of the leg will adapt and they'll become stronger and they'll start holding somewhat of an arch there, and you will get way more relief. Go ahead and try this and then comment down below.
Hey, we're back
with another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.